Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you are watching this my video. Please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the red and press that button. Anytime I upload video, you will get it in your phone. Thank you very much. For people that are subscribed for me before, you are welcome to my platform. Zainab Benzin TV. You will enjoy. Okay, today I want to explain something for you. What I'm doing in my platform. I do comedy, I cook. If I get advice, I give people. I dance, I take care of my child. What I'm doing for my kids, I do it in my platform. I do a lot of things, so that you will enjoy very, very well. Don't just look my video and just do what's this. You need to watch the video to end so that you can get something inside. Please support your sister. Please subscribe for me, support me, make me grow. So I'm really happy. Don't mind me, my children is here, so don't mind the noise. You never sleep, then time is going. I have a lot of things to do, so I need to make this video fast before your sister go wake up. So wetin make me come this afternoon, my people? I know say I small to talk the matter, but if I still look am, I'm not small. See, this problem wey Africa they are facing abroad is not easy. Then see Nigeria, people they are suffer. People they are suffering Nigeria. No food, no work. The rate of rice maybe 500 or 600. Maybe 500 or 600. You will see small boy in Africa, in Nigeria. You will see small pikin, 16 years, 15 years, they smoke. You will see 20, or you will see graduate for Nigeria. They dey for one place morning to night. They don't have job, they don't have anything. Only they have to smoke, to fight, because no job for Nigeria, no work. Wetin happen Nigeria? Wetin happen? This message I want to reach Buhari. I want to reach Buhari or Oshibanjo. Please, you need to help youth for Nigeria. Youth will need help. You will see some people, their mother, their family, they suffer to let their kids go school. At the end of the day, the pikin come finish the university, primary 1, primary 2 to primary 6, secondary school, just 1, just 2 to SS3 to university. At the end of the day, the pikin go just finish the school. Instead of the mother to relax, say, my pikin don graduate, wetin I need now, make my pikin go start work, then make me sef just dey enjoy my life. Instead of that one, the mama go still dey feed that pikin wey don graduate, because no work for youth, no work for Nigeria. No be say Europe abroad they get money pass Africa. Africa is the best. But because of corruption, because of no work, although this president, governor, senator, they will pack a lot of money, come keep am for abroad for year. Then although these abroad people that they use the money, they come they talk say abroad to get money. Abroad no get money reach Africa. Africa have money. Africa have gold. Africa get a lot of things. Now Africa they make oil, make Milo, make all of these things. Europe they go Africa, go buy cocoa, come they use and do coffee. Because of happiness. Wetin youth supposed to they use for Africa? Although this our governor, our president, our senator, although this rich man, they don't sell them for white people finish. If the Africa have job, me where they talk, I know the sufferness where I suffer for Nigeria before I comot. If the Africa have job, wetin person won't come do for you, come dey suffer up and down. wey be like say person no go get mind. You go dey fear. I no wan make dem deport me o. I no wan make dem deport me o. I no wan make dem deport me o. I need document o. I need document o. Buhari, Osinbajo, make dem do something for youth. Youth dey suffer. Hungry dey kill people for Nigeria. They talk about Boko Haram. Who dey give Boko Haram gun? Where Boko Haram dey get gun? Where they get bullets? No be people where they give am money to work. No, because Boko Haram no dey live for people wey be like they live inside bush. Na inside bush they dey. If a car dey waka, they go come outside for inside the bush, stop people for road. If their bullet finish, no be all these people that they import bullet for am for the place where they dey. That they import food for am. See the way Boko Haram Fulani people they kill person like goats. Like goats. The president dey there, governor dey there. They no see something to do. They no see something to do. They kill Nigeria youth. They kill mother. They kill father. For country where be like say police dey, everything dey, but no security, no secure, nothing. Person can't dey here, can't dey suffer up and down. The person wey no supposed to talk to you go talk to you anyhow. What you want do? They no invite you. They no write you letter say come our country. Now you use your leg come. So anything where you see, you need to bear am. Even though if you give you appointment 4 o'clock, you have to go. Because now you won't collect something for their hand. I know the place where I work before I come out for Nigeria. I work for Chinese company where they do expression. They do waveform. Sorry guys. I work for there. 25 naira for 1 hour or 30 minutes, something like that. If you do 50 pieces, you get how much where you go collect that day. I work for beggar. Chinese way dey for beggar. If you after Kara. I work for Harlem for Ikeja. Chinese company wey dey for there. I work for there. Before I come out for Nigeria, I know the way Chinese they use people. For our own country, oh, another country come. They come they use them. Like be like say no be we get that country. Still, Nigeria people still they come out for Nigeria, come they suffer for year. People wey dey Europe, if they work for dry cleaner. If you no work for dry cleaner, you go work for hotel. If you no work for hotel, you go work for supermarket. If you no work for supermarket, you go work for restaurants. Some people carry their best certificate where they used to finish university, carry am come Europe. You know if you use and work better work for Europe. Why? Although these Chinese people, no be say I know say that they pay tax, but although this stress where Nigeria where Africa they pass through for abroad, although these people know they pass through that process without no documents, that they live, that they get house, government say complete for am. You fit get more than million for year. You no fit get complaint. You no fit get complaint. That's reason why where these people they make money, that they make money for our hair. I watch one video now, and it make me come outside. Come see youth. They get one place where be like saying at their base. Only wetin that they do for that place, that they smoke. Only smoke that they smoke. Only smoke. Now that they smoke for that place, they no get any job. One man wey be like say travel from abroad to go that place, you can't go do interview for all that youth. Get they there. Woman dey there. What did they smoke? He said because they don't have job. He said the shop wey get where they make hairdresser. Government don't destroy the shop. So you don't have anything to do again. Now although that people where they smoke, now ain't give am small money where they used to make Indomie. They come to say armed robber plenty for Nigeria. Why armed robber no go dey? Everybody want to survive for this life. Everybody want to make am. No one wey wan suffer. Government, Oshibanjo, Buhari, forget say you get pikin. You forget say you get pikin. You forget say you get children. Then all your children, they know they live for that Nigeria. All of you pack your pikin. No one wey dey go school for Nigeria. You come pack and come put am for abroad. I pray say this coronavirus wey dey outside there, you go reach one of your pikin. This coronavirus wey come dey now, may e come reach one of your pikin. Na that time you go know wetin you dey do for mekunu wey be like say no get anything. See this coronavirus wey come outside now. Person no fit go outside. You no fit go do anything. Because now all these white people now you get this sickness pass. Because Africa they eat a lot of food. Africa they eat pepper. Africa don't chop a lot of medicine for Nigeria before they come here. So before that coronavirus go catch Nigeria, I know say it still they keep people, but I know say God go guide us. But now we know the sufferness wey person suffer before he reach this Europe. If in Nigeria good, I go come leave 2 children for Nigeria, come they stay for year. Come they suffer up and down. Go this appointment, go this appointment, go this appointment. At the end of the day, you no go see, the appointment when you go say, go talk say, what if they won't give me, where they can't suffer me like this? Oshibanjo, Buhari, more do something for youth. No be say Nigeria no get money, no be say Africa no get money, but because of actness, that's why the money no show. They come to say armed robber plenty. They come to say Yahoo boy plenty. Why Yahoo boy no go plenty? Why corrupt no go dey Africa? Food no dey, money no dey, nothing. Instead to push the money come outside, they come dey pack and come put am for abroad. Come dey keep am for abroad. Youth, you need to come outside and talk. True is bitter. It's better die for true. If I die today, I go rest. No one way no go die for this life. Where our people go, they suffer like that. Enough is enough. I wish may God will bless me. May God will bless me. I want to bless that country. I want to help that country. The youth will not get anything. I want to give them something. May God still bless me. No better hospital. If you don't have money, you no fit go better hospital for Africa. If you don't have money, you will die with sickness. If you don't have money, you will go jail. If you don't have money for Africa, people who are not supposed to ride you, it go ride you. If you no get collection for Nigeria, you don't know people. People will go beat you, will be like say nothing go happen, they go beat you. Why? Why? They say people know they follow law for Africa. The government itself know they follow their law. If you want to do election, you go meet all of these area boys, all of these ras people. You go promise, and I will give you job. I will give you money to start business. I will do this. They will do that. They will do this. After they don't enter, they don't get the power finished. Now all of that people where they vote for you, will make you get the power. Now all of that people they go face. Before you go spoil person's shop, you go just arrange the place where all other people they go there. Because all other people, if you come spoil their shop now, say me they no stay for that place again. Why they no go do a shewo? Why Yahoo boy no go there? Who won't suffer? Who won't suffer? Buhari or Oshibanjo, who won't suffer? Who sufferness? Who suffer? Who the person will like sufferness? Who not like to wear better thing? They come to say le slata. You know see the music sing. Sorry guys. Who no like better thing? Who better thing who no want am? Who no want to get car? Who no want to get house? Who want to die for rent house? For face me and slap you? Who want to eat eba every day? No want to eat jollof rice, no want to eat fried rice, no want to eat pounded yam. Who no want? Because all of these youth, if you look for job, they no get job. Now all of these people, they go infect and say, if we do this job, you no get choice, go do am. Sorry. Because you want to feed their family. Because you want to feed their family. Especially if you get children. Their children no go school. Their children no go school. They come to say I'm robber plenty for Nigeria. Yahoo boy plenty for Nigeria. Where Yahoo boy no go dey? Where they no go use pint? Me where they talk before I come for Nigeria, I know the suffer where I suffer. I know wetin I go through. I know wetin I face. Wetin I never say for my life. Which work I never do for my life. I never see the work where I never do this life before I call this Europe. So if I can't see another people where they did that position where I did before, if they pay me. I know wetin I never see the work where I never do this my life. I sell like a Sarah. I sell sweet for Oshodi. I do house girl. I never see the work where I never do for this my life. If you better work there, I go. Even if I no go school, you supposed to get work wey be like say go there for people wey no go school. No be by suffer like that. I pray may God bless me. Wetin dey for my mind, may I do am before my enemy die. Because people too dey suffer for Nigeria. People too dey suffer for Nigeria. Small pikin wey be like say e still suppose to dey their mama house when im mama still dey give her money to do something. You don dey do something by themselves. Where dey get the money? 40 years old, 30 years old, 50 years old, you don dey get man. Because they want to wear clothes. Because they want to use iPhone. You know this our children now. This time now, our face it too dey wise. Oshibajo, Buhari, you dey there no do something. You dey there you do something, no do something. Drika of rice 500 naira. Why? People wey can't get 5 children, 6 children, how many drika rice you want to cook? How many drika rice they want to cook? We still come for Nigeria, we dey abroad, person still dey suffer. Person still dey suffer. Because now Africa na be the best. Africa is the best rich country. Because Africa get a lot of things. Africa know how to sew clothes, they know how to make hair, they know how to make makeup, they know how to do everything. Africa people too get brain. Because no support, no helpers, no people wey go sponsor you. That's our intelligence. You know, person no fit use and make money. If you all do this abroad now, America people now, they can't see Nigeria pikin or any Africa. We be like say the small pikin make something, they will come that country, come and pick the pikin and bring am come abroad. Why? Africa free big car wey they come dey import for here go Nigeria. Africa fit do am. But because say our government, you know, give that youth the opportunity. Go to primary school. Go primary school. Go look primary school, the way primary school be. no chair, no. I don't know what I want talk. If you go school for Nigeria, some children they sit down for grant. 60 children, 100 children, they go there for one class. They say government school. Now so they go talk say bring money for book, bring money for this one, bring money for lesson, bring money for all of these things. Government no get any responsibility wey they do for youth, for their citizen. See abroad here, their citizens dey collect money. Buhari, Oshibanjo, which money wey you dey give your citizen for Nigeria? You know they give your citizen your fellow people. You know they give am money. They call the person make come dey pay tax. Who wan pay that tax? You no get help wey they do for people wey born for hospital. If you tell you say government hospital, no government hospital. If you go to Gbagada, if you no get money, you go die. If you wan do operation for Nigeria, if you no get better money, you will die. You will die. Some people they sell their property because say they want to eat. Because say they want to eat. Buhari Oshibanjo, you no get help wey they do for people wey be like say they're poor. People wey don't rich, now you they still dey support. People wey don't reach, wey don't get money, wey be like say they no fit suffer for anything. Now you all these people they still dey help. People dey there wey be like say you no see morning food, afternoon food, eat for Africa, for Nigeria. Why? Oshibanjo, you call yourself say you be pastor, you be Christian. You no fit help Nigeria. I know say how many people you want to help, but the one way you go do, people go still see and say, ah, these people really try. I talk that before I come out for Nigeria, where people they argue with me. That I they live from way baffle. They thought say this Buhari, they thought say he good, he do soldier, he do this. If he enter, he go make Nigeria dey better. He go. I say this man. You where they thought say if you see the opportunity to enter the chair, na money won't go chop. What did Buhari do? Instead to help people wey poor, Buhari still come hard for the problem. Come to say Nigeria youth that they're too lazy. Now you make them travel. Now you mean, oh my God. Oh, people they suffer for Nigeria. We were there abroad. They beg you. They beg you. We say if we help our country by ourselves, if we make our country better, if we want, may God will bless everybody. If you say na 5 people you feel help, you can help. That one go still come out. People they are suffering for Nigeria. Hungry they keep people for Nigeria. That's why pikin wey be like say never reach 20 years. If they do armed robber, if they do Yahoo boy. Because he no get hope. People wey go learn work. Him mama go tell am say, I no get money to sponsor you to go school. It's better me go do hand work. You go learn mechanic, aluminium, bow, all of these things. You go still do the work finish. Instead of to get the money to get shop, you no go get the money. You no go get the money. Go to Harlem. You go see small girl wey they do Ross girl. Go Packers. You go see am. Go to Royal. You go see small girl wey they do Ashewo. You go see am. Me where they talk, I know the suffering why I suffer before I finish my hairdresser for Nigeria. Nigeria is the best rich country. Nigeria is the best rich country. Nigeria rich. Nigeria get something. Nigeria know how to build house. Europe no get money reach Nigeria. But because they follow their law, they get law. See Nigeria, if you go this one shop, this one go sell in Dirika of rice, you go sell am 400 euro. This one go sell in 450. This one go sell in Europe here no be like that. All the shop na the same price because they control. Police they control their shop. Although this police, although this SARS, where they talk say that they protect us, now that they kill youth of Nigeria. See this Kasim where they kill this maybe last month or which day where they kill this boy, this footballer boy, Kasim. I think maybe now that only that child where their family get. This SARS just waste the boy like that. Because they stop that boy. They stop the boy. They can't push that boy along the road. Kasim don't just die like that. At the end of the day now, this SARS where they thought say they go punish him. If you now, you go travel come out for that Nigeria, come abroad. They no go do anything. Why? Why did they kill you like goat? Why did they kill you like chicken? Sorry guys, my baby they make noise. He sleep before, but now his brother go wake up. So I need to go and take it. Sorry, don't disturb my main video. I don't want to make this video too long, too much. So Mona do something, please. Buhari or Shibanjo, Mona do something. There are many years we left for you to live. Do something for youth. Youth they die. Our mother they die. Our father they die because of hungry, because of sufferness. SARS they kill us. Boko Haram they kill us. They no see something to do. Where Boko Haram they get gun. Where Boko Haram they get bullets. I will stop for this topic today because of my baby. They disturb me. I will stop today. God will bless everybody. God will bless all African people where they did this abroad. God will help us. Mean and help our country by ourselves. If you can help five people, if you can help 2 people, people go still talk about you. Say this person is street trial. I want to bless my country. I want to help my country. The suffering is too much. It's too much. I want to ride up. I want to stop this video. I not get past this one. God bless you. Please don't forget subscribe to Zena Benzi China. Please. If you don't subscribe before, welcome. You are welcome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. You don't know what you do for me. You don't know. So I really appreciate for people that support me, that subscribe for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.